Hello YouTube. Thank you once again for joining us for another tutorial. So today we are going to cover the if uh, condition in Excel. So similar to previous tutorials, we are going to have three examples where we are going to apply the if statement just so that you become very comfortable with the concept. So in this table right here, we have states, the average on price, and the rank. And in the first example, we will be checking the condition if the on price is greater than $150,000, and our return value it's going to be either yes or no. Yes if the condition is met, and no if the condition is not met. So let's start. So basically you click if equal if, and the logical test is basically what are you trying to validate, or what condition do you try to see if it is uh, meeting or not. So we're trying to check the on price. So I will click on this on price, and it has to be greater than 150,000. And if it is greater than $150,000, we are returning yes. So I'll put quotation yes. If it is not, I'm gonna put no, quotation no, and enter. So for Alabama, the home price is 121,800. It does not meet our criteria, therefore the return value is no. So I'm just gonna drag my formula down, and as you can see, state where the home price is greater than $150,000, the return value is yes. So now let's do it for we are checking the same condition if the on price is greater than $150,000, and if it is, we want to return the actual state. If it's not, we want to return a blank. We want the cell to remain blank. So again, if the on price is greater than $150,000, please return the state. So we want the states to be returned, so I'm going to select that state, and if the condition is false, I want to return a blank value, so just put two quotation, close the parenthesis, click enter, and for Alabama we have a return value because the on price is not greater than $150,000. So I'm just going to drag this down, and all the cells that have a value, if you check the on prices, it's greater than $150,000. And you can compare it, you can double check it with the previous example that we did, where yes meant that the condition was the on price was greater than $150,000, and no for the condition not being met. So now we are going to look at a third example where we are checking for the condition of the on price being less than $220,000, and if the condition is met, we want to return the actual rank of that state, and if the condition is not met, we want to return a blank cell. So similar concept. So equal if, so we're checking the on price, and we want the value to be less than $220,000, and if it is, we want to be able to return the rank. So I'm gonna select C3, and if the condition is not met, I want to be able to select to return a blank cell. Close the parenthesis, enter. So for Alabama, the on price is 121,800, which is meeting our condition that we checked, and the return value is the rank, so 44 is being returned here. So our if condition is actually working properly. So I'm gonna drag it down, and only the cells that have the value populated are the cells where the condition, the home price, is less than 220,000. So you can check a couple of them, but that's how the if condition works. So if you have any questions, if you have any comments, please use the comment below to address your issue, or if you like the video, give us a comment, give us a like, and if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe so you can see more videos that we will be posting in the future. Thanks for watching and enjoy.